Say hello to this beautiful model, the Staunton. This floor plan can be found at Abberly Avera in Manassas, Virginia. The Staunton offers 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms at 1,097 square feet. Let's begin with the heart of the home, the kitchen. This space is uniquely designed with mocha wood cabinets, nickel hardware, and granite countertops. Not to mention incredible storage with 42-inch upper cabinets and a pantry. Plenty of space for groceries and your favorite snacks. The kitchen seamlessly transitions into the open concept living space, perfect for entertaining or catching the game on your big screen. Throughout the home, you will be met with natural light from the expansive windows and high ceilings. Soak it all in. The private balcony or patio makes mornings a breeze, no pun intended. Back inside and on opposite sides of the home, you will find dual owner suites. This setup comes with spacious bedrooms, large closets, and separate bathrooms, perfect for 2 roommates or an accommodating guest suite. The bathroom adjacent to the hallway offers a separate entrance for house guests. For the inevitable laundry days, a washer and dryer are found in-home for ultimate convenience. Because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters. Alluring, amazing Avera. Visit AbberlyAvera.com. Abberly Avera is part of HHHunt Apartment Living. For a full list of our apartments and locations, please visit HHHuntApartmentLiving.com.